Imagine a factory floor where machines don't just work, they think. At Siemens, one of the world's leading manufacturers, AI-driven systems predict when equipment needs maintenance, preventing breakdowns before they happen. This predictive maintenance, powered by AI, has saved Siemens millions by reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of critical machinery. It's just one example of how AI is redefining efficiency and precision in manufacturing. Here's the question: how is AI driving trends like this across industries, and what does it mean for the future of your business? Hi, I'm Arvind Saveen, CEO and Chairman of Copper Digital, with over a decade of experience helping businesses harness AI and other transformative technologies. My team and I have witnessed the revolutionary impact of AI across industries. And not just witnessed, I've implemented, innovated, and executed over 1,200 plus custom solutions across industries. And with our day beginning with a cup of coffee and, of course, AI, today let's explore how AI is setting the pace for business trends that are driving real change in a digital-first world. AI in customer personalization and engagement. AI is revolutionizing customer personalization and engagement like never before. With AI, companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify analyze vast amounts of data to predict what users want, even before they know it themselves. 75% of what Netflix users watch comes from AI recommendations, a number that shows just how effective predictive analytics can be. AI also powers chatbots, virtual assistants, and personalized marketing, transforming customer service. AI-driven chatbots like those used by Bank of America's Erica and H&M's Fashion Assistant handle up to 80% of routine inquiries, ensuring customers get quick responses anytime, anywhere, while allowing customer service teams to focus on complex issues. AI in operational efficiency and automation. AI is streamlining business operations through automation and optimization. According to McKinsey, AI-powered automation can boost productivity up to 40%, helping companies scale efficiently. For example, UPS uses AI to optimize delivery routes with its ORION system, which saves 10 million gallons of fuel annually and reduces delivery times. In manufacturing, Siemens employs AI to predict equipment maintenance needs, thereby preventing costly downtime and saving millions in operational costs. These examples showcase how AI helps businesses operate smarter, faster, and more cost-effectively. AI in predictive analytics and business forecasting. AI is at the forefront of predictive analytics, giving businesses a competitive edge by providing insights into future trends and risks. This trend is particularly strong in retail, finance, and healthcare, where AI helps companies predict demand, forecast customer needs, and minimize risks. For instance, Starbucks analyzes data from over 90 million transactions per week using AI, allowing the company to create personalized offers and stock products that customers want. This level of forecasting revolutionizes business strategy, with Gartner estimating that companies using predictive analytics will increase profitability by 38% over the next 3 years. AI in marketing and sales optimization. AI-driven personalization has transformed marketing and sales, enabling companies to craft targeted campaigns that resonate with customers. Tools like Salesforce, Einstein, and Google Ads allow businesses to segment audiences, predict buying behavior, and optimize ad performance. Coca-Cola, for example, uses AI to analyze consumer feedback from social media and adjust its campaigns in real time, enhancing customer engagement. AI-powered personalization is estimated to increase conversion rates up to 20%, illustrating that targeted, data-driven marketing has become the new standard. AI in product development and innovation. AI is also pushing the boundaries of product development. In the automotive industry, companies like Tesla rely on AI for self-driving technology, using real-time data to continually improve safety features and refine driving algorithms. In the fashion and electronic sectors, companies employ AI to accelerate product prototyping, enabling them to test and develop products faster than traditional methods. This ability to bring innovations to market promptly has become a defining trend, giving companies a unique competitive advantage. AI in human resources and talent management. AI is transforming how companies hire and manage talent. By automating resume screening, talent sourcing, and even employee sentiment analysis, AI can identify the best candidates and predict who is likely to thrive. For instance, Unilever uses AI to screen candidates, analyze video interviews, and assess cultural fit. This application of AI in HR is not just about finding talent quickly, it also ensures that new hires align with company culture, making the recruitment process both faster and more effective. AI in cybersecurity and risk management. In an era of growing digital threats, AI is crucial for cybersecurity and risk management. AI can detect anomalies in real time, helping prevent breaches and protecting sensitive data. Financial institutions like JP Morgan use AI to monitor transactions and detect suspicious activity, while companies like Microsoft use AI to monitor cloud security. This AI-driven approach helps companies protect themselves from costly cyber threats, building user trust and ensuring data integrity. So, how is AI shaping the latest business trends? From customer personalization and predictive analytics to cybersecurity and talent management, AI is more than just a trend. It's a transformative tool that's redefining what's possible in the business world. As AI continues to evolve, it'll drive innovation, empower smarter decisions, and create new standards in every industry it touches, making it essential for businesses to stay competitive. Want to stay at the forefront of AI-driven business strategies? Follow along to keep up with the latest trends and discover how AI can elevate your business to new heights.